Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. I hope you will benefit from my recipes today. The recipe is easy and distinctive, which is bread from the German countryside. We need 4 grams of yeast and 35 grams of sugar. Then we add 80 milliliters of milk to them, and we also add 10 grams of honey to them, as you see. And after that, we need an egg and add it to them, then mix all the ingredients together. What a delicious and creamy recipe! After mixing the ingredients together, we add 250 grams of flour and 1 gram of salt. After that, we start kneading. After completing the first stage of kneading, we add 20 grams of oil to them, cooking as you saw. We return to kneading again and continue, kneading until the dough becomes smooth and pliable. An important note: the softer and softer the bread, the softer and more fragile the bread becomes. After finishing kneading, we cut the dough into 9 pieces, as you can see. It is a fun recipe. After cutting the dough and shaping it into a circle, we grease the pieces with a little oil. We cover the dough, as you saw, and wait 20 minutes until the dough ferments a little. In the meantime, we grease the table with a little oil, and when the dough is ready, we start shaping the bread, as you can see. Note that the oil helps in shaping the bread well and comfortably. I ask you, my friends, to pay attention to shaping the bread so that it becomes this beautiful shape, my dear. The follower helped me grow the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Like my friend, I will be happy if you write me in the comments what you think of my recipes. From which country are you watching me? Dear viewer, forming bread is easy and does not require a lot of time. Everyone will be happy after tasting this delicious bread. Finishing the formation of the bread, we cover the bread with a piece of nylon and wait for 55 minutes until the bread ferments and doubles in size. During this time of waiting, my friend, you can drink a cup of coffee or tea. My friend, we bring a bowl and add the cooking oil and leave it until it heats up, as all you saw. And after the oil is ready and the bread is fermented, we put the pieces of bread on medium heat and continue the process of frying the bread. Dear observer, the bread does not absorb the oil much. My friend, you are watching the frying process, and this is a very beautiful thing. The bread looks very delicious, and the bread needs to be turned several times until the color becomes uniform, as you can see. I made this bread and we went. My child and I went to the school party, and all the children ate this bread, and they were happy. The parents asked me for the ingredients and method for this recipe, so I told them that I will share this recipe on my channel if you like it. My friends, the bread is ready, its color is golden, and the smell is delicious. My friends, I will be very happy if you write to me in comments. What do you think of the recipe after you make it at home? I hope you enjoyed it. Write to me in the comments if you like this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Always stay in good health. Thank you for following me. I wish you a happy day. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.